Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. So today we're going to be doing a look with this palette. So it's the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and I don't have a clue what I want to use. Yeah, because I haven't done any warm looks, part of me wants to use this as an all over lid shade. That looks really pretty, and I can't remember how it looks on the lids, so yeah, we'll use that. I think I'll use this shade here as an all over lid shade just to set my base, so let's go in with that rather than dipping into the Too Faced chocolate bar. So this one is called Canvas. Yeah, so we're definitely going to go with a warm look today. Let's zoom you in. Okay, look, what shade shall we use? I really like Fuego, so I definitely want to use this shade. I'm going to go in with the Profusion brush. So yeah, we're going to go in with Fuego, so it just looks like that on the brush. And these brushes from Profusion are just really good. I think there's a brush hair though there. That's come from my brush that I used to put my NYX base on with. So it's just a very slight, I don't want to build it up too much, but that's the amount of pigmentation that I want. I think that's really nice. So yeah, we'll do the left eye now. So I got put on Morgan Turner's channel because I'm interested in the Midi Zendo palette, and somebody that watches me has watched her review and knew that I wanted to buy it and told me to watch it. I don't think I'm going to get that palette now, guys. It doesn't seem to be as good as I thought it was. The shimmers don't seem as pigmented as the other palettes that I've tried, so I don't think I'm going to get it. I need to look at some other videos and just see what kind of looks that they're creating. I mean, I don't mind a warm eyeshadow palette, I don't mind that at all. It's just the looks that were being created by Morgan. She did one that she really didn't like, and then she did another one that she did like at the end, because she knew how the formula was working. And it wasn't a bad little look, but yeah, it's not the kind of look that I would have created for myself. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to get it. I think I might have just saved myself £60. Okay, so the next shade then, I don't really want to use Spiced. I was going to use Spiced in the Outer V, so whatever shade I use in the Outer V needs to go on the lash line as well, and reds always make me look like I've got bloodshot eyes. So let's use Caliente, this one here. Which doesn't look that deep. Right. Okay, let's mix Caliente with Sandy Bum. That might be the better option. Yeah, it's a little bit deeper. Right, so let's just blend that out a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to go in with my finger into, can you see how much fallout there is in that shade there? I'm just going to go in with my finger to the Rise and Shine. It's like a yellow gold, I would say. Very warm toned. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. Okay, so let's try wetting it. Where's my setting spray? Okay, just gonna try putting a bit of setting spray on the finger. Instead of a brush. Oh yeah, that's coming on nice. And what I'm thinking about using as a bit of a topper is this Paraiso shade here. I was going to use it as an inner corner, but I think I'll use it as a topper. Might not actually look good, but this is what we're looking like now. Let's see what it looks like with that. We'll start in the centre. Yeah, you can't even see it. Let's use that then. What I was going to do originally is using it as in... Actually, just going to use that shade as an inner corner highlight. It's a little bit dark really, but I really like it. So let's put some Paraiso on the brush. It's a really pretty duochrome. I'll spritz the brush in a minute. I've done 5 days, 5 looks with this palette. If you're interested on seeing the looks I created, I will leave that in the cards for you. It is a little bit dark, but never mind. And then I need a lash line brush. Right, so we'll use the Zoeva one. Zoeva 322 brow and line brush. We're going to go in with the same shades, so we've got Caliente and Sandy Bum. We'll go in with both those shades. And then we're going to tight line, just with the usual Too Faced Love Imperfect Black. And then we've got a new mascara, so I'm hoping this isn't going to be dry. So it's the Rimmel Scandalised Volume On Demand. I've never tried this one before. I got it from the pharmacy last night when I went to pick up my mum's medication, and it was £2 off, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go. It's normally £8.49, so I paid £6.49 for it. I have looked at the brush. I don't particularly like that brush. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not dry, but it's not like as wet as the Essence one that I've been using is. And I wouldn't say it's giving me as much volume as the Essence one was. But it will do until I can next go into town and pick one up. It's building up nicely. Like compared to that one, it looks like I've no lashes. It's in the shade 001 black. It's not like a dark black or something. And this is the only one that the chemist had. Right, so that'll do. Why is it the left eye never blends out properly? Right, so that's looking good. Let me go and grab a lipstick and then we're done. Right, so I've pulled a bunch of Charlotte Tilbury's out, more spring and summer shades, so we're probably going to use one of them today. So we've got 4 here. So we've got 1975 red. That'll probably go really nice with this look. We've got Velvet Underground. I don't think that one is for today. We've got Lost Cherry. I think I'm leaning towards 1975 red, and then we've got Pillow Talk, which I think is just too neutral. Yeah, let's use the 1975 red, which just looks like this. It's a beautiful orange toned red, and I think it would look really, really pretty. First of all though, I need to take this lip balm off. So I'm still testing the Keys Soaker. Let's take it off. I'm still testing the Keys Soaker lip balm so I can give a review on Cult Beauty and all the other places that I need to leave reviews. So that's what's on my lips at the minute. Let's pop some of the Charlotte Tilbury on. This looks absolutely gorgeous with that look. It gives me summer vibes so much. I really like that lipstick, but I do use it a lot. So for the next looks that I do, I definitely want to use the rest of these just to test them, just to see if I still want to keep them in the collection. If you want to see swatches on the lipsticks, I've done a Shop My Stash and I've swatched them all on the back of the hand. But I have actually got lip swatches, I'm sure. I've not bought any new Charlotte Tilbury for quite a good while, and I did do lip swatches, I'm sure I did, when I originally got them. So I'm going to try and find that video. I'll watch it just to make sure, and then I'll link it to the cards of the video. It is quite an old video, it's probably 2 or 3 years old at this point, but yeah, I will link it to the video. So this concludes the look. So this is today's eye look. But tomorrow we're going to be using this one. I absolutely adore this palette. So this one is Juvia's Place, the Deuce. Not too sure what I want to do as a look. Maybe use this green shade here. Not used that in a while. So yeah, I can't wait to show you the look that I create with this. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. Please click the notifications as well. Like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.